guys. So today I did a lot of damage at TJ Maxx. So this is something that I would have posted on my Snapchat story, but it is a lot of stuff and I figured I'd bring it here to YouTube instead. So first thing and main thing you're gonna see is this big tall guy over here. I keep my clothes out on a rack here because I don't have a closet in my room, so you have to get very snazzy and very different with ways to keep your clothes if you don't want it to be boring and ugly and you still want your room to look cute. So I got this tall armoire thing. It's pretty much a closet, same thing as what I have there, except I got that one from Walmart and I mainly just got it so I can dry my clothes on it because I do hang dry a lot of my clothes. But that is much cuter. There's little hooks for your like jackets. There's also a place to put your shoes, like 2 racks I would assume to put your shoes. So I love that. It's a lot cleaner, a lot heavier, a lot sturdier. The other thing we got which is the next smallest thing, is actually what I have the camera on right now. It's a wire shelving case, and we'll see what I end up doing with that. Then I also got this chair. I really like this chair because a lot of things in my room are short, including my bed. I have my bed on the ground right now, not because I want it there, but because I don't have a frame yet, which I planned on going to Walmart today to go get a frame. But if you guys would have saw how full my truck was, no. Wasn't no going to Walmart. I needed to get home and unload as soon as possible. So anyway, got this chair. Super cute, very big. I love to read and I love to write. So I just think having this little chair to sit in instead of my bed, I would really enjoy that. Speaking of my bed, I got a new bed set, which this is going to be washed before I put it on. So I'm just going to show you guys this now. Cream color. I really can't tell if I'm showing you guys or not. It's a pretty cream colored comforter with a cute little detailed design. Looks like it's seamed on there. Super cute. So it comes with 2 shams, 1 comforter, 2 decorative pillows. Oh, it's an embroidered comforter set. There's the better wording. Embroidered comforter set. I got these nice and presentable hangers to, what do you think, hang my clothes with. Also found these very cute little Steve Madden shoes. I think they're super adorable. Love this color. Fall's coming up too, so I'll be able to match this with a lot of things. I did initially go into the cosmetic section and look everywhere and find a ton of stuff, but I definitely went for these things over those things because those things I just wanted to throw in addition to all the hair products, face products, beauty products I already have. So I settled for just this one because I don't have anything like this. And this is Shea Moisture's jojoba oil and ukuba butter braid up conditioning gel with carrot seed oil. I've been wanting to braid my hair up, just been too lazy to do it, but I found this, and now that I have a new product, I'm gonna be a lot less lazy. I got this beauty organizer. The backdrop is a mirror. So this beauty organizer with these cute little shelves. It says makeup, jewelry, lotions, perfumes. I thought this would be really cute to hang right there. So that way I can also check myself out on the way out. So instead of that welcome pineapple sign right there, I'll hang this up. Maybe. That's what I'm thinking. That was the idea when I got it. So let me unwrap all the pillows before I start showing you the pillows. And yes, I wrapped them all up because last time I was leaving TJ Maxx, I dropped my bean bag, which I haven't showed you guys this bean bag because I was I've been putting together kind of like vlogging, but piece by piece video clips here and there of me getting my room together, rearranging my room, so on and so forth, because it's not something that's happening overnight, and that's gonna happen right away for me. I didn't show you guys that beanbag yet, and there are other things from TJ Maxx, like this little thing from here. I haven't showed you guys, but I mean, that'll all be like inclusive once I get all the clips and once I get my room the way I want. Once I get my room the way I want it and I have the video put together, it'll probably be like part 1, part 2 type thing, but I'm just not going to start posting it yet because I kind of want to be able to do it all in one as like an inspirational type thing. But just know it's taken me a while. I'm telling you guys this today, and so it'll take me a while. We'll see when we're finished and done, but I still have a lot of things to do, like this red wall. Ugh, I'm sick of this red wall, but I have to work with this red wall right now. I'm changing it. I have an idea of what I'm changing it to, but haven't done it yet, so gotta work with what you have. The reason I wrapped these pillows is because there's this beanbag chair thing that I got, and when I was leaving TJ Maxx last time, I dropped it in the street. And yes, it got dirty. So I got 2 decorative pillows, this color. Oi, sorry, mommy. One that says thankful in this pretty green. Okay, mama. This one that says blessed in this beautiful orange. Beautiful, beautiful. One of these little short pillows I'm gonna put on my chair. Don't know which one yet. And then I got some nice throw blankets. I love throw blankets. It's literally what I sleep with instead of comforters because they feel so soft, and that's all I need in my life is a soft fuzzy blanket. So I have a bunch of them. So I have this throw blanket, which matches those blue pillows I showed you. Super cute, right? This orange blanket, which this is most definitely seasonal, as you can tell, but it's cute as shit. And like, blankets are timeless. That has to be understood. Blankets are timeless. You can keep them for the rest of your life. Couple little just like decorative things to put in my room. I got this yellow pumpkin and then this marble pumpkin, which is super cute, a lot more subtle. I have a marbled table that I like keep my makeup on, so I think I'm gonna put this one there. And then this yellow one, I don't know, I might replace one of the pineapples with this one just as a festive trade-off. And then I also got this painting here, Be Wild and Wander. I love it. I got this pumice sponge. It's supposed to make your hands and your feet softer. I'm a waitress, so something that I like to do to kind of keep up with my feet because I'm on them all day is I get a body scrub. It's a body scrub. It's not meant for your feet, but still. And I only use it on my feet. So I sit down and I just primarily focus on my feet and just massage them and just kind of get like blood flow down there a little bit better, and so they're not feeling so raw on the bottom. But got that for that. And last but definitely not least, let's let this be known, this is definitely not least, nail polish remover. This is just something I needed, and I was able to pick everything up at TJ Maxx, so why not? We got Superman. We got Unicorn. These are for my dog. And then, oh my god. We got motherfucking pajamas. Hold up. It's game over. Right now. Right now, it's game over. now it's already the cutest thing I've ever decided to do in my life. Oh, this is too fucking cute. She's definitely an extra small. Wow. You got pajamas, mommy. Pajamas.